Hi diddly. Right, I thought I'd have a bit of a change today. I don't usually have these cash vaults, do I? Right, and also, sorry if my hands are a bit dirty. I've been doing garden, and now we've got the barbecue's lit, the grass is cut, the paddling pool's filled up, but it's going down. It must have a hole in it. So he's got the gin and lemonade outside, sat on the chairs chilling out, and we've got some burgers, some kebabs what we've made ourselves, some sweet chili pork loins, salad. We've even got marshmallows and biscuits for kids to do after eating barbecue. Right, let's see what we can do. I've got that Charles Dickens token again. So if you're having a nice sunny day, sat in your back gardens or your front gardens, it's VE Day, chest and hearts. Enjoy yourselves, stay safe. Chest and heart. Let's see if we can win some Crown grapes. God, I don't know what day it is today. Friday, I do online. So don't forget, tomorrow 8 o'clock, if you put 4,000 in this video, and I'll learn how to speak properly, pull an apple, or any of the other videos I've done lately, you will be entered for free. Good stuff. Sunglasses and panned. I've heard someone saying 2 jackpots on them big new £5 ones have gone already. Can't believe that. Oh, a bit of rubbish screaming about that. Sunglasses. Sorry about the dog. Again, food's been there since 7 o'clock this morning. As soon as I start doing this, so he started. Clyde. What we have? Oh, winner. See if we can get some more. Clover and Gem. Gem. Clover. Cactus. Stack. Cactus. Stack. And last but not least, Bolt and Glitter Ball. Bolt and Glitter Ball. So that's one win, I do believe. Oh God, it's warm today, isn't it? Beautiful. Right, let me just check. Safe, gold, moustache, diamond, moon. So have we got pound, pound, star, cash, wad. Sorry, treasure chest and treasure chest. So that's one winner there. At least it's not all wipe out. So I hope it's more than 3 squiddles. Next one, thank you. Yep. If you enjoy watching these videos, please subscribe if you're not already. Make sure you hit that notification button so you get to know. Come on, sunshine. When the videos are out, or there's a live. I haven't done a live for a while. Fingers. Crown. God, it's like 2 pigs eating, isn't it? Lemon. And grape. Well, we did rainbow on that one. Flower. Cloud. Vip. Oh, that barbecue smells nice. Just 2 of them chuck away ones. Couple of quid. Get them lit. Leave them. Jobs are good. One. I always put things on too early though, like everyone else in the world does. Pound. Gem. Safe. Safe. apple stack. Apple stack. Money bag diamond. Money bag. What is the two things then on here? Hey! Chest, moustache, finger, cactus, moustache. Nope, I'm not going on that one. Last one. Come on, flower, let's have a decent one. Okie dokes. Crown, diamond. Crown. They're not going to stop while eating all the way through it. Rainbow grapes. Oh, that's a good start, isn't it? Pound stack. And I'm also thinking of doing the old membership where you can join as a member and you get special videos. Behind the scenes, which won't be much really, will it? Special stickers, so on and so on. I'm going to look into that, see what it's like. VIP and bulb. And VIP. Are you still snorting? Shut up, man. What's up with you? Gold bar moustache. Gold bar moustache. I don't know if dogs have been in paddling pool, I don't know if they like it or not. And safe. Heart and cloud. Cloud and heart. Last but not least, wad and star. Wad and star. Okay, so that's not a winner either. So I've got one winner. Please be more than a bleeding 3 nicker. Let's have a look butchers at this bad boy. See what we've got. Right, so we have 1 5. 5 is better than 3. Right, so that's that. 1 win, 2 losses. I always check them anyway, don't I? Let me know if you've seen anything I missed. Right, so don't forget tomorrow, please, 8 o'clock. Just put 4,000 under this video or any of the other videos. You know what, both kids have gone upstairs. Shows you, didn't it? Right, take care. See you later. Oh, sorry, you missed that. That was rubbish. £5. Sorry about that. Ta-da.